A prophet swallowed by the depths of the ocean. Darkness upon darkness in sight. This is the story of Yunus alayhi salam, the man of the whale. Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam was sent to guide the people of Nineveh. He called them to worship Allah alone, but they turned away. His story is preserved in the Quran as a powerful lesson of patience and repentance. Yunus alayhi salam invites them again and again, but their hearts remain closed. They mock the warning of punishment. In deep sorrow, Yunus alayhi salam left his people before Allah commanded him to leave. He boarded a ship sailing into the vast ocean. Suddenly the sea turned violent. The people cast lost, and Yunus alayhi salam was chosen to be thrown overboard.
It is the will of the Almighty.